morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We're back. Took the day off yesterday. Just want to take a day, just chill for a day. But we are back. We are ready to roll. Market's been okay. Small caps waking up a little bit. SPY pushing up some. Got my Powerade ready. Something looks weird. What's up, Discipline? AC, North Star, good morning. Welcome in. Good to see you. But yeah, SPY pushed down yesterday. Looked like it was going to have a red day. Went down as low as 371. Pushed all the way back up to even on the day and ended near even from the close of 2 days ago now. So from the close of Tuesday, it gapped down yesterday morning and then ended near the close of Tuesday. So we're showing some overall strength in SPY right now. Hey, what's up, Scott B? Good morning. See if the music will play. So I hear Rev B on the scanner. Peggy yesterday, PEGY. I don't think I had any reason to be up, as per usual of 2022 rules. Had a Form 4 2 days ago, but it was up yesterday, kind of faded off, and then just some random, it looks like 1 o'clock, it got this no man's land bounce and just started pushing its way back up, pushed its way back up to high of day, and after hours it started ripping to 350. Now it's at almost 450. So what's up, Snacks? Good morning. Tops yesterday went pretty nuts. Top gainer this morning is CCNC, but it's a 36-cent stock, so I'm not really too thrilled about that. Your Nemesis is pushing it. Yeah, this stock's notorious. Just shit. Just horrible. But, I mean, it is up 130%. It doesn't take much, though, when you're only 15-cent stock. You got 15 cents, and there's 100%. Peggy is about maxing out. 489 is the 200, and then 5. I don't see it going much past that. If it does go much past that, I mean, it's got plenty of room, but I don't see it really going past this 489 to 5, maybe 510. No reason to be up. And also, I checked solars yesterday. I was like, okay, let's look at PEGY. It's energy. It's this oil. I looked it up. Not oil. It's solar. So I went to the solar lead dog. Death. Just death. So it's not following any sector. It's just getting pushed by some, market force. That's probably why it squeezed so much, because it has no reason to be up, and it just keeps going. The shorts just keep getting trapped over and over and over again because they keep shorting it because it has no reason to be up. He got a huge box here yesterday. Leg down, trade remotely sideways, and then a huge leg right back up to the same spot. Put it right back in play.
FWVI GHSI
Today looking slower than yesterday so far, but something could pop up. GHSI, probably sympathy volume. Yeah, no rush. I mean, it's been a week. There have been days, but that's about it for me. Price action, though, yesterday lasted till about 11, and then it looks like it cut back on at like 2. But it started getting real ugly around 11, so I was like, I'm out. No follow through. All the setups break down, fake out breakouts, all that stuff was starting again. So I was like, yep, I'm out of here. I don't like the 2 top gainers being pennies, because this is not like really huge gain for Stab. Like Stab is up, doesn't even say. $0.10, which I mean is overall pretty big down here, but it's only up 10 cents. You got to put your whole account in this and get 1 cent, and that's how you make money on these. I have no idea what GGE is. How is that up 52%? Peggy doing some strange looking things right now. A lot of these pennies getting action this morning. CCNC, Stab, KRBP, ZVO, RevB, and GHSI. All within the top gainers.
GMRE. MDAC. REVB.
All right. Is there anything that has any reason to be up to trade today? At least during pre-market. I feel like the ones with a reason to go up in pre-market, and then the ones without a reason to go up, the ones that go after. Hi, Brad. Do you have any thoughts on HGen? Let's look, Stacy. HGen had a run. Yeah, I remember this having a run. Why did it have a run? Forgot. I think this was a sympathy the other day to one of the big runners. It seems to be holding like 18 to 19 cents. I wouldn't let it go below 18, but if you're in this, I mean, it has range up to, I mean, it was trying to test 25 the other day. So as long as it doesn't break below 18, I think it's got a chance to, push back up and maybe test that level again. I don't think specifically that it had a reason to be up, but I think it was following just another penny. And if all these pennies can keep going, this one tried to run the other day, so maybe it can get back rolling again. Daily wise, I mean, it's a penny, so it's super cheap. Chart looks horrible. It did go test the 50 SMA the other day, so and rejected. But it's holding this level today. Maybe get back up above 20, 21, 22, maybe.
UEC.
Hey, Jordan, good morning. Peggy, still 410. Chart looks weird to me now because of these little algo or whatever these are. Program candles, whatever you want to call them. No problem. No problem, Stacy.
CCNC.
CCNC is just trying to push up to 39. Did I have news this morning, or is it just up, just to be up? I had an 8K yesterday share purchase agreement. Valued at $1 per share. What? Wow, that is a sentence right there. That is all one sentence. Oh my God. Chill out, bro. Man, I should have slapped 39 cents a minute ago. It was, what's going on? It was sitting there, 39 cent, trying to break through. Thought about taking like 5K there, but I'd be up, 150, 200 bucks here. Still trying to go.
IMBI. JWEL.
Top sold all the way back from $11.60 to $8 range. Just hanging out here. See that getting going maybe later in pre-market. Nothing else pops up. WKEY is up. Why is that up? Oh. Good earnings. It wouldn't surprise me. I mean, it's hard for anything to go 1 cent higher without looking absolutely disgusting and breaking down first. So, very much possible.
LITM.
This one's thicker too. It's not really a higher float, but it's one of those that has like a stack of every cent. Just stacks on stacks on stacks, every cent. So that makes it look really thick. And it's hard to read because it's one of those refresher ones. Like it looks like it's breaking an ass. There's 100 left on it, and you see the volume still hitting it, still hitting it, still hitting it, still hitting it, and it's not going. And then they refresh it with 10K. Pushing up a little bit, nothing crazy. Heck of a run this morning already. Wonder if we'll get anything good news-wise at 8:30. Because we had Kit yesterday that
CNC.
ran pretty nicely on news, which is great to see. That's great for small caps to see something with actual good news run higher. It's just insane right now. Just even think about.
Dare.
It's got to be these upside down charts that look absolutely disgusting with no news, no reason to be up, and they're the ones that, you know, loop-de-doop it up to high day.
Step. Step. Step.
Nothing really doing anything right now. Tops is kind of at support, trying to curl up just a little bit. Kit's not really doing anything. Peggy was just hanging around. Mid fours, or mid 410s, I mean. Tops probably needs back above like 850, 860 towards 9 to really start getting some momentum back up. Very, very low volume fade off though this morning. So it'll be definitely a back burner watch for sure. Kind of slow though, considering, you know, the way that everything closed yesterday. Not much going on at all right now.
JWEL.
SPY's trying to push back up here towards 376.
ALDX.
Peggy still in the same spot, trading within. So it's got look, 8.5 million volume today, trading within a 3 to 4 cent range right now.
IMBI.
Maybe starting to push up here. Yeah, 419.
KRBP.
Struggling to get through 420 here. It did gap. Yeah, you're right. It did gap up. It's just stuck in a little range now. You'd think it had more, it would have more volatility, up 51%. You know, it would be trading in a bigger range. Like either people would be selling off or buying. But neither. They gapped it up on super low volume. The highest volume is right here.
JWEL.
What happened to old Finger Blast yesterday? I know it Finger Blasted from the lows. I mean, this is picture perfect 2022 action right here. So, big knife down, loop-de-loop horseshoe your way back straight up into a halt. Then fade back down. I think it halted right there. I think. Fade back down. Huge kill candle right here. Nope. Just kidding. Back up again and then trade it sideways. The old trappy poo candle right here. But yeah, this one closed at lows. And normally you would think, okay, this is pushing back higher. You risk the low of this wick. Nope. Let's push it down below that as well. And then we'll curl it back up.
GSQD.
Fubo?
10.
It's possible. It's trying its best to hold the 50 on the daily right now. I kind of like Fubo. I drew this the other day. This was the little falling wedge it's got. Kind of broke out of that. It's got a chance. It seems to want to move with the meme stocks now, though. I think it needs to hold 350 for sure, but if they can get up today or over 420, it's got a chance to move. I think it needs a strong market day, though. Like, Fubo kind of really wants to move a SPY. And it's going to be one of those that just kind of melts its way up. It doesn't really run with momentum.
RETL.
Oh, man. Yeah, no problem. And just ask all the questions that you think of. If I got time, I'm here to answer them.
GROY. CCNC.
So Peggy still couldn't go over 420. Now pushing back down. Look at CCNC again at 41 cents. About 3 minutes till the 8:30 news. So maybe we'll get something fresh. That's when Kit came out yesterday, I think, was 8:30. What's up, Striker? AKA Dan the Man. Appreciate you guys hanging out this morning. I want to say thanks, big thanks to my members for supporting the channel. All my donors. You guys are awesome. Is CCNC one of those that I can move the matrix less than a cent? Nope. So CCNC is not one that you like snacks, at least on TradeStation. I can't fix the matrix at all. I don't like it either. I don't want to slap 42 if I'm trying to buy 4150 and just hope and pray I get 4150. Trying to get a high day right here. 43 test.
PLSE. Any.
Game halted? I didn't know that. Yeah, halted pending news. GAME. Interesting. Very interesting. What could that be? Buyout. Engine gaming and media. What do they even do? They esports? Oh, they have gaming apps. And they have esports tournament services. Okay. Cool. CCNC up to 44 now. About 30 seconds to the news. Mullins BTB just changed. That's good. I think it's because they have the volume. I've noticed like when they get a higher volume than normal that they'll throw that on. But Mullins really didn't. It's interesting. Yeah, Mullins really didn't, but I know BCB got a huge. I mean, look at this. It's like the biggest volume day it's ever had. 140 million the other day, or 178 million. Yeah, huge volume the other day. And then right back down into this. Okay, here's 8:30 news.
VLON.
Don't see anything. Exploration of strategic alternatives on game. That was the game news. GAME. Probably unhauled at like 8:45 or 9. All right, that leaves it to the stuff that we've already got for the day because nothing really came out with any substance at 8:30. Market pushing. What we like. Your beat just got a fluff. Smartwatch connectivity. Swiper. What is that? That didn't have news, did it? Oh, it did.
DM.
I did not even see that. Because they didn't put it in the headline. Awarded expanded scope on electronic warfare program. I would never even pull this PR up. Hidden right in plain sight.
KRBP. Review.
Somebody's buying a little bit of beat. Maybe this will be enough to finally squeeze it up. It's at 480. I'm about 10K at 462. Still not getting like the real volume yet. It's getting some okay slaps though. 480 hit.
CLXT. XELA. JWEL. NCLH. CCNC.
Yeah, it's not really catching. It's just getting a little bit of volume. It could catch though. But that PR was kind of fluffy on beat. It just had the setup. I think that's why it's getting hit. And it's been in play. KRBP. That one had the news earlier at 8. And it was just screwing around all morning. Now it's finally starting to break up. CCNC still slow and steady. Trying to work its way up. Still nothing really running right now. Got a lot more movers than normal though. But they're all just kind of doing their own thing, it looks like.
POWW. ZVO. GSQD.
KRBP is trying to go straight up. I don't know. I get that FDA feedback. It's over 50 now. But it's another penny stock, so. You guys see anything that looks okay at this very second to maybe move higher? Oh, you think Beat gets the ponytail push of the day? It is up near highs. I got a quick scalp on that news, but I don't know if I want to add it again. The bids are so thin. It could go, though. I'll keep it up. KRBP up to 55 now. All right, they're finally starting to sell it a little bit. I guess you're right. Wow, I should have taken that with you. My goodness. Out of nowhere. Thin air. Good job. Literally just jumped $1. I had it 562 a minute ago. Waited till 8:39 and like 25 seconds to send it. Now it's at 6. Okay. That's fun. Is it the ponytail push or is it somebody else? That is interesting. Literally just had this thing. 462. 1,000 shares.
JWEL.
My goodness, man. Oh, Benzinga pump. Okay. Gotcha. How Beat can be the next big play. Benzinga exclusive.
BLON.
So even bigger than the ponytail push. The Benzinga pump. That was really good timing, though, Discipline. Wow. Do you work for Benzinga? By chance? Only had 100. Well, I mean, still, that's almost $200. I don't know why it took so long. I had 462, like I said, right here. And then, let's see. Is it right here? No, right here. Yeah, so I guess 9 minutes after the PR came out, the old Benzinga pump came in and sent it.
PLSE.
Still watching tops down here too. It doesn't have much volume, but the chart's trying to curl up. I think it really needs above like like I said, 860, 870 before it can
BRV.
get rolling. How many were you holding on that swing? I know you had a little bit. Hey, Fernurky.
IMBI.
Yeah, they just keep putting news out. $6K. You had 6,000 shares. Nice. That's really good. So you had about $25,000 worth. Wow. Thank God I didn't drop an offering or something like that, but I mean, it worked out.
Stab.
Hell yeah.
TCON. REVB.
Hey, Jesus.
PRVB.
Yeah, they just kept having, you know, whatever it was, the patents, the heartbeat patents or whatever.
QRG.
Just kept sending her. Today's probably sell the news though, because this was a very fluffy one. You know, they got smartwatch something.
Riot.
Hey JD, what's up? Good morning. Yeah, let's roll. Let's get it. All right, what are you gonna do, Tops? Tops is sitting right here, ready for the break up, but will it?
Review.
Hell of a trade though on beat. Good job. I can barely hold something for, you know, 30 seconds right now. It's honestly probably my max. Maybe up to 2 or 3 minutes.
CCNC.
What else is in play here?
Beat. NAUT.
Man, that thing's still going.
BTCM. Beat.
Wow, 630s. Hey, Robin, good morning. Welcome in. Good to see you. Yeah, beat 625 now. I would imagine they start fading it off soon. KRBP still hanging up around 50. Volume's pretty much gone out of that, though. Let's see. Where's old Peggy at? Peggy's just stuck. All right, it made high of day. Beat did by 4 cents. And now it's shoved all the way back down to about 6. So let's see if that's it. It's holding the 610 level for now. I think it's got to break up in the next minute or two for it to, continue this short 1 minute pattern here. Got a lot of selling pressure up here. 620s. The 1 minute flag here, but positive patterns usually lead to negative results in this market. So we'll see. We will see. All right, I think it's about time for Wordle, guys. In honor of your swing, we're going to start with beat. Okay.
TENX. Step.
Is that a word? No. Trying to think of a ridiculous New York Times word. No. Try to get this in the first 3.
JWEL.
Yeah, well, I was thinking it might end in H as well. Like TH. That's what I'm trying to think of, a word that ends in TH. Um, could be TY though. Let's just do this. Okay, it's not Y, but it is OT. SHO. Is that a word? Shh. Wait. H isn't there. It is okay. It is TH. It is TH. Okay. So S something OTH. Sloth. 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 Sloth it is. Hey, we got it in the first three. That's all that matters. You got it, Premarket. Nice job. I knew it had to be TH or TY. Having that H and the Y in the word definitely helped, because that told me like one or the other.
TCON.
Okay, beat. See, really nice flag here over VWAP, over the 6th level on the 1 minute. Good patterns lead to bad results in 2022. So really solid, symmetrical triangle flag here for potential huge leg up. Reject. And not only reject, but reject, reject, reject. And now we're down to 575. So, is what it is, what it is. That looks disgusting. What is that? That's a 2022 chart if I've ever seen one.
GHSI.
Man, there's really not much now. All of a sudden, we're right back. That was a nice Benzinga push, though, on beat. That's for sure.
JWEL. PLSE.
CCNC's coming down towards VWAP here. See if they let it full break down and they actually hammer it up here. It's trying its best to hold 36. It's getting heavy, though. Or at least it appears it's getting heavy. Getting heavier, at least.
Beat. CCNC. SYPR.
Beat at the 20 on the 1. See if there's any kind of curl in it, or if, first pullback is the end. Volume's definitely almost non-existent right here, which can be a good thing. Peggy up to 420. DCNC down.
PRBB.
Minute and a half till the 9 a.m. news. PRBB, what is that? Oh, I had news at 7. Peggy up through highs. Well, not through highs, I'm sorry. Through highs since 8 at least. Coming up towards 425 right now. All right, here's 9 a.m. news.
Mo's. FUBO.
Bubo. Bubo actually just had news. Nothing huge, but Wish has a little PR too.
IMBI.
Beat is selling the news right now. Man, this is going on a patent. Maybe because Beat is a patent monster. And MOTS is just sold off on the daily. I don't know. It's pushing though. It's up over 2. Yeah, MOTS was just a patent for prepless colonoscopy methods. Okay. Solo secures license to sell Solo EV in Arizona. Nothing crazy, but it's a PR. MOTS still trying to push up. 225, 230 now.
APRN.
SNTI T2 looking okay. Look. Yeah, doesn't look bad. Actually pushed towards highs yesterday at the end of the day.
COSM. TRBN.
AERC. Potentially. Let's see. They go 100%. Close. It's not like definition T2, but yeah, close. Inside bar here. Definitely went down at least 10% yesterday. So yeah, AERC within the range of the T2 as well.
TBLA. BOXD.
MOTS flagging over VWAP here. It's trying to push up.
SCPH.
This would be the breakout candle right here on the 1 if it can push higher. 220. 222. Struggling. Struggling to push. Actually, still might push. Everything's just in kind of slow motion right now. Even a breakout. Yeah, Peggy nonstop. Yeah, it's struggling with this zone here. It seems thin through here, but it's not. It just keeps refreshing. Oh, did Beat recover from there? 20 on the 1. Ah, the old candle end at lows underneath support. Straight up.
UPWK.
I mean, you gotta love it. Candle just completely spilled under all support here. Maybe, I mean, there was this wick left. That's it, though. And at low of candle, never go 1 cent lower, and Nike swoosh its way back up to high. Or almost high, at least. On finger. Yep. Finger still in play. Top still in play. There's a lot of stuff in play today, which is kind of bad. Yeah, because too many things in play is just going to spread the volume out. But it is moneyless Thursday, so we got to be careful. JWEL straight up. Time for the rave. Oh, man. So CCNC still stuck in one spot. Stabbed. I'm going to look at it. That one not even going to look at. KRBP, maybe. Still looks ugly. Oh, Peggy. Trying to leg up right now, but it's just like grinding through quicksand. Trying to walk uphill or up a mountain in quicksand. We're stuck within a, 10 to 15 cent range. Something that's got like 10 million plus volume today. And then, of course, just beat it. Got the old, even on the 5 minute. Go below support and hammer. That is like the trademark. Just wreck everybody. Not only make shorts chase low, but stop out longs in the same breath. That is this market in a nutshell. You buy it, you hold it, and you hope, baby. Yeah, I mean, I could see him maybe right here, but something saved it right here. And I don't think a pumper's smart enough to save it right here. I could see him saving it right here on this candle. All right, MOTS cannot close a 1 minute candle over 220, so I think it's going to start fading now. Just beat it, it's trying to push up. Hashtag ponytail push on beat, okay. Market's down today, but not down by much. Bitcoin over 20K still. Broda, what up? I don't get how somebody hasn't scooped up tops yet. I guess because so many other things are in play right now. Or have potential to be in play, at least. Beat just grinding its way up now. On a very steep trend. Wow, ATXI got murdered yesterday. It's down to $7. Beat coming up to high of day right now. After this save right here. Or if you look at it on the 5 minute, this right here. You know, break down lower into a hammer. If you're trying to, okay, you see this red candle sell off, you wait, it holds that low. Even the next candle went just a fuzz lower and hammered. Like, okay, all right, we got a low in now. Let's risk this wick. Let's be smart about it. Maybe we can curl back up to VWAP. Nope, let's break below that, wash everybody out, and then hammer. We're still holding this steep trend line here. All right, I'm gonna step away for a minute, go feed the dog, say good morning to the baby, say hello to my wife, and I'll be back in like 5 minutes.
KSPN. SCPH. PRST. BMTX. EQX.
All right. What do we have? What do we have? Okay, beat broke that steep upper trend line. Peggy's still trading in the 10-cent range. Did a nice little box though. You know, kill candle, low, and then high. Peggy has 11 million volume. What's going to be today's no reason to be up runner? All right, one game. One game. Who do we start with? Random.
GROY.
New England, I like it. All right, not a wide receiver. Over 6 warm. Be a quarterback or tight end. Or Derrick Henry. In the NFC, older than 25. Under number 17. Let's go Mike Evans. Oh, it's not a wide receiver. No more. It's definitely quarterback. It's definitely quarterback. Let's just try Tom Brady. Okay, quarterback. Under 6'4". Under number 12. NFC. Jimmy. Okay. NFC North or East?
CLMT.
Under 30 but over 25. Dak. Boom. There it is. There it is. It's hard to believe Dak's already 29.
APGB.
Half his career's pretty much over. Peggy is still stuck. CCNC. Not really interested. Beat. It's curling up. It's actually holding it out on the 1. Oh shoot, I forgot to get a Dr. Pepper.
SHFS. Score.
Oh, big reject there. Up near 640. So it'll hold the 9 on the 1 if it's not going to break out. But if it is going to break out, it's going to break below horseshoe box, whatever you want to call it, up. Gotcha. Okay, I'm learning. 6 years in and I'm learning this market. Its pattern looks good. Probably going to break down. Pattern looks bad. Going to break up. It's on support. It's going to break support. Loop-de-doop. And then swoop-de-doop to the high. That's extremely technical terms. Write it down, learn it, look it up, Google it. Swoop-de-doop, loop-de-doop. Hey Mick, sorry I missed your message. Morning, good morning. How you doing? You still working your ass off at the emergency room? Yep, the loop-de-doop, the swoop-de-doop, the nonsense, the trap, the BS. Those are all very important 2022 terms, Jesus. The skippity-doo-dah. So, okay, we went up, we flagged, we held the non, we pushed up, rejected hard. We still held though. We pushed up again, rejected even harder, went down to the 20, pushed back up, rejected again, and then big volume spike. At 924 and a half. Still closed the candle under 640 though. After all that. Poopy, swoopy, loopy, doopy. Babby. Babe. Says Scott B.
DBGI, EQX.
Okay. About 4.5 minutes to the bell.
TLRY. TTCL.
Market is red on the day, but not like by massive amount.
BCS.
The way you wrote out WKUI, MOTS, GG, and IMBI looks like a freaking code that I have to redeem on Xbox Live to unlock my 3 months. Yeah, we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Wi-Fi password. Yeah, for real. I would say 6. I know it could do some like nonsense down to here, but if it hammers off a 6 and pushes up, that would be ideal. One second.
RADA. SHFS. GMVD. CBO. CNHI.
All right. Yeah, no problem, Stacey. SPRO event 11:30 might get a move early. Okay.
KTRA.
It's set up to move too. Really is. All right, let's switch over to the intraday. Got the music down a little bit so I can hit the scanner.
SPCTRA.
About 30 seconds to go. Hopefully today's a good day. Hopefully get nice follow through, nice continuation, patterns that hold, yada yada. Good luck today. And here we go.
EVV. EZDX. NMCIFTV. NUWCDRY. KTRCW. GMVD. REVV. WKEY. THCHV. CSCWSIG. WKEY. Acer. Beat. MBO.
Topsail hammer off at 8 and open. See if it actually holds and pushes. Yeah, top take 25 here.
IPHA. PRVB. CTNG. PSTV. CCNC. DTEA.
I got a few hundred tops here. Want to see it break above 850 though.
WKEY.
I nailed the bottom too, I think. Come on, don't fade down and get me here. He's through 850. $840 test. Little reject there. Needs one more good volume push to get it up through. I got my stop way up for a profit stop though. 825 held so far. Let me put it up over here. One good push through 850 this should go, but if it doesn't, then it may be done. It held 8 though. WKUI was good. Nice. Good job. Yeah, I went the tops route instead. I'm out. Okay. I think I am. No, I'm not. What the heck? No, I am. Worth a shot.
REVB. Staff.
SPRO, a little bit of volume, bro. Nothing crazy. Needs to get over like 225, 230, but a little bit of volume at open here. Oh, Tops is still trying to go. So it went down and faked me out. There's SPRO, 225 now. That daily's nuts. That daily really is nuts. If it can get rolling. I feel very, very small at 221. But look at this. I mean, this could push. This could really push. No body is closed over 228, which is pretty much the test we just hit. Oh, I set my stop just under. Okay, never mind. Just sold for even. So it went all the way to 228, back to 221. Ugh, disgusting. Shoot. All right, beat up. Okay, I don't want to play the grind game. Yeah, if it goes to 228, it does not need to be testing 221. The same candle.
AACG 9
Market push. Did the Twitter deal go through or not? I don't know why that just randomly popped in my head. CSCW, yeah, nice hammer push there on CSCW.
CTRN KULR SRT ARQQ Stab
MLCO.
Rule Pro SRT
Oh yeah, big opening volume.
HTOD TXLW Freight Plus
Any with some volume.
BTCY PEGY CSCW TMC
Resistance on beat. Let's look.
Omer AXDX
Nowhere. Unless you want to do the Fibonacci game. We're all-time highs on beat. So it's going to be, psychological resistances like whole dollars, half dollars, stuff like that. 90%. But yeah, it's up through everything now. It's at all-time highs. Peggy might halt. Oh, it might halt down. FNGR might be trying. Yeah, no problem, Michael. Appreciate the question. Yeah, finger with a little bit of volume. Maybe trying to finger blast here. If it can finger blast its way through like 820, I think it can finger blast all the way up to 850. 750, okay. On beat, roughly. And that's a good like psychological resistance too. Like 3/4 of $10 is 750. JWL. Don't know what that is. Going for.
CSCW ABT
PRVB straight up. Looks like it's trying to halt. 617. I didn't. I stopped it. CSCW still straight up. Had a really solid hammer candle to open. I didn't even really have that on watch.
JWEL. Most.
A lot of stuff with volume this morning.
PRVV.
Could be a good thing, could be a bad thing.
Review.
PRVB still pushing.
OVLY.
Daily's kind of opening up a little bit.
QRCON.
Market really strong push to open here.
ETG. Rule.
Wet grandma on the scanner.
SNDX. Belfa.
So tops couldn't go.
CRCT. Mose.
What was the other one that ran yesterday? Besides tops?
9.
It was just Peggy, right? Tops and Finger Blast is at like the exact same spot.
PRVB. XXII. JWEL.
JWEL looks like a trap. Like it was really sold off this morning. Yeah, 81K bid prop. Cool. Looks like it went all the way down here and then just got shoved up. Right back up.
BSGM. SVM. Lil. WKEY. Stab. Beat. CVO.
BBIG with the boner candle. You gonna say hi? You come say hi?
S.
Come here.
XERS.
Yeah. Look at this fly guy. Wow. With his Adidas on. Cool guy. What's happening?
SSYS.
What are you up to? Hey, Zeus says hi. Yeah. You see yourself up there?
HITI. Review. Miso.
All kinds of stuff going on in here.
BBIG. SURG.
Pretty cool, huh? You ready to go back to mama?
GRNQ. Beat.
Gosh.
AMTX. Stab. HTGM. FRD.
Okay.
ELOX.
All right, he's gone. He just wanted to say hi this morning.
SSYS. TCRX. Hack.
Jackie says hi. Okay, sorry. He already left. I'll tell him. Hi, Jackie. JWEL still pushing up. It's getting pushed by some nonsense. Huge bid props. This is a, a Chinese one, though, so. MOTS Hive Day.
WETG. UPC. Stab. BNGO. AMB.
It's just a very large bid. It was like an 80K bid. See how all these are like 2,500, 300, 200, 100? It was like an 80K bid, completely out of place. That's just walking the price up. You may see it pop back in here.
BLD, NERV,
Yeah, no problem.
BNTC, MOX,
What's holding? AERC? Okay. Forgot about that one.
ITRM,
Yeah, pushing up towards 5 right now.
STAB, COS, BSGM,
Market still showing great strength today.
SNDX, NNOX, VCLO, ZOM,
MOTS testing high of day here. Needs to that 255 level. 9K left on the ass there.
STAB, WETG, Perry, SJT, ANVS,
A lot of struggle here on MOTS at 255. I think it can get through it though. It may start burning the shorts out. They're attacking above 250.
RDFN, NERV,
Yeah, ARC 5 tap. Wow, nice.
AGIL, HOFB, HHS, WKEY,
MOTS is close here, but it's starting to act like it's trying to top out.
STAB, CFRX, MDWWD, Biafu,
Eggy maybe trying to curl here. Needs over 395.
MYNZ, ITRM, Gol,
Oh, is top still trying to recover? It is, isn't it? Ooh, it is.
Ride,
870.
GHSI, B, TRVN,
And wrecked 820. I was just about to buy in there and decided not to. Thank God. So top's big upper wick there now.
STAB, B, STAB, PGYWW, COM,
Beat's still trying. 638, 640. Needs a big volume push, and I think it can really get going here. Yeah, that's just 2022 action, baby. On tops. Just the usual day-to-day. Beat is doing some wild stuff right now. Dab? 20-cent stock. Blowing up the scanner. I don't want to hear you. You're moving like 1 cent. Okay, now Beat down. Okay. Moneyless Thursday setting up. Real smooth.
ETNB. GANX. MOS.
But MOTS decides it wants to be the one.
MOS.
Good bounce spot on Sober. Yeah. Potentially. If it's going to bounce, yeah. It's had a lot of bounces. I don't know if it can bounce just over and over and over again. But yeah, this is kind of the spot if it's going to bounce.
WETG. CPNG. ETNB.
PRVB Hive Day.
IGIC.
Man, they keep flushing them. Like it, that one touched 650 and then it was back to 635 immediately. SNTI has been nice out the gate. Straight up, really. Peggy gonna bounce from some stupid no man's land. I know it. And it's gonna make one more low than what it's trying to make right now, is my guess. Yesterday it reversed at 115 though.
CFRX.
MOTS is kind of setting up for failure here. Below this line, it's going to crash pretty hard.
STKH.
Yeah, ISE is just non-stop, isn't it? JWL up again. Probably getting bid prompt again.
BMTX Plus. MOS.
CSCIB today looks very nice. Reminds me of SNTI. Yeah, CSCIB is not bad. Not bad. It kind of got a spike and then faded off today, but yeah, the daily is not terrible. Got room. Okay, maybe Peggy is going to reverse.
AMB. Again. KTRA, GRNQ.
Yeah, ATXI pushing a little bit here.
Mose.
It's due a recovery day. It's kind of sold off like crazy.
KTRA, DAP. EFOI.
There's a 10K bidder on it. Maybe that'll prop it up and send it.
Harry. MEGL. TBLT.
Maybe not. It's already slowing down. Wow.
NGS, SNTI, NGS, AMB, GHSI, MOS, STAP, FONR.
Anything gonna set up and move. MOTS has just kind of been a straight melt up.
AMTD, TCON, again. MGNX,
SNTI halted up. Really? Wow. Just went straight up today.
Staff, Vero, LTRY, ATXG, Semi, Gas, Beat, SNDA, UTME, CCNC, PGYWW, Semi, Staff, NGS, GMVD, BNOX, NSYS, ATXG,
ATXG getting some random volume.
Beat, SMHI,
Not sure why. It's got a crazy daily. I know that much.
Rule, RBPH, Staff, Staff,
Scoop some AERC inside bar play. Breakout over 506. Okay. Average 466. Okay.
USAS.
It tried to go to open and then kind of rejected, but if it holds like 460, it may go.
ACU.
So Peggy did bounce from that knife, that red knife. So the candle closed at lows on Peggy.
MITK.
They made it look as bad as possible, but I was just expecting, you know, bounce a little bit, flush through those lows again, take everybody else out, and then go higher. But it skipped one step.
CLDL. EFOI. Beat. Rear. GNE. Kala. LFLY. PHVS. AACG. Rule.
I want to see something, you know, push through with good action like Tops did yesterday.
Stab.
I mean, I guess S&TI is, but it's kind of just been a straight up move, but I guess it is today's Tops. Straight up. Dipped like 1 cent at open and then hammered.
PRTC.
Market push up and then straight back down. So maybe we'll finally get our red day on the market.
Cracks. Stab. BNOX. DMAC. BTN. LXEH.
Sober. Nice. It is, isn't it?
Beat.
Hold on 1 second.
WKEY. NYMTN. PLUR. DMAC.
I was hoping today might be a nice day to make a little bit of money, but everything's just either been a straight melt up or bad action. No real like follow through breakout action. S&TI was kind of straight up. Really no entry points on this at all, unless you just bought it in pre-market. This right here, it wasn't even really pulling back. Just got a huge spike that halted it up.
CRKN. AACG. TALP. TAOP. ZBO. ZBO. Beat. CIDM. Stab.
Beat volume's almost gone right here.
XYS IKNA CIDM UPC UNB SRRK AMB XFOR
Kit trying to test high of day here.
Kit
629.
LMDX GMGMGMBL FTFTFTZBO
Okay. Beat bounced a little bit here. I could have gotten, I guess, 4 cents out of it. Oh, never mind. It's actually getting some volume. Will they 2021/2022 candle it? We'll see. Let's look. It was sitting around the 20 EMA on the 5, which is 100 out of 100 times something I would buy in a regular market, not in this shit fest, but it held. It held and pushed up. So, I mean, that would have been an easy 10 cents. Hard to believe. Can't believe my eyes. It didn't, you know, come over, break down here, trade sideways, wick low, hammer up. It just actually held a level and pushed up. It's crazy. Kit high of day. Yeah, I saw HKD actually. I heard AMTD on the scanner and went and looked at HKD. It was up a little bit more than it is now, but it was up.
Beat, stab, HNRG,
Beat and stab on the scanner together. Somebody's been watching too much of that Jeffrey Dahmer show. Kit over 650 could get interesting. It was a great show. He did a great job acting.
Gray.
Man, should have bought the breakout, I guess. 650.
ICCC stab.
Yes, it was. That's probably the best episode.
ETNB.
Kit halted. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Should have bought the breakout. But, you know, I buy 99 other breakouts and they tick up by 1 cent and drop by 40. So why would I buy that breakout, you know? Is what it is, I guess.
LXEH.
Peggy's just gonna try to grind its way up, isn't it? Oh man, I hate when this happens. You know, low of candle close. Yeah, I mean, I like it better than like a documentary. I don't like watching documentaries at all, like at all. But this was better. The part about it I didn't like is they tried to, for 99% of it, make you feel sorry for him. And the dude was a straight up monster. So.
ATXG.
There goes ATXG. I had a little bit for a scalp when I was mentioning a second ago when that volume came in and it dropped from 295 back to 270. So I was like, nah.
BNRG, DMAC, Stab, SNTI,
Market's getting smacked right now.
SMHI,
Straight smacked. Back down to 374. So pre-market low 374. A little bit, maybe 373.5 to 372.5.
DZZ, up, JFU, MRCC,
Peggy's just gonna do it, isn't it? Gonna be one of those you got to risk low of day and hope for high of day.
Stab,
All right, guys, it's after 10. I think I'm gonna call it. Nothing really crazy going on. Bond market. Yeah. Maybe the US needs to do what the UK is doing.
AMB, BNTC.
But that's it for today. I will see you guys back here tomorrow morning. Last day of the week. Peace. 8 a.m. See ya.